So the kitchen is definitely the heart of the home and probably one of the places that I spend most of my time in. However, it's lacking some serious decorating. The cupboards and the drawers need some serious TLC and organizing. I feel like items are out of place. There's not enough space for some necessary things like our vitamins, spices, and then obviously the inevitable junk drawer. So I'm dedicating 2 days, yes, 2 days to do this redecorating, organizing, and a little bit of decluttering, and I'm bringing you along. So welcome to my kitchen redecor vlog. So the kitchen is definitely, I want to say, part of a larger space. So it is an open plan. We have our sitting room and we have our dining area and then the kitchen. So it's shaped into a U. It's definitely not a large kitchen. We don't have an island for storage and all of that. So majority of the cleaning supplies, the drinkware, crockery, cutlery, everything goes in the kitchen. I definitely feel like some places are not really zoned out as to where things need to be, specifically for when you are cooking. I feel like it's so easy to miss items and to buy items that you already have because the space and the layout of the cupboards is obviously not utilized to its full potential. So I want to kind of redecorate and just restyle the kitchen for a more like open feel, a little bit less cluttered. So definitely one of the things that I am going to add to a lot of organic items, whether that be in the decor or even in the organizing drawers. I'm thinking of maybe going for bamboo. I'll insert a little mood board of what I'm kind of interested in. And of course, no redecorating or makeover is complete without a little shopping. So I did a declutter a few days ago, spices, and I just defilled some bottles. I got rid of out-of-date sauces, spices. This cupboard is a little bit too cluttered. There's so many things going on. There's a little bit of an impracticality of zones. It's a little bit difficult for things to be put away. There's random things that I feel like are just shoved into this cupboard. So today we are definitely moving the spices to their very own spot. I am keeping the sauces on this side. I feel like the cooking oils, the marinades and things can stay on that side. I did make an order on a Instagram shop for those small kind of like liquid holders. You know, those holders where you can put like all of your sauces and things in. So I'm just waiting for that to come so I can fill up all of the sauces and then we can move the extras to the pantry side. So I'm going to move these spices to this drawer. So this is, I think, that drawer that everybody has. Like, it's full of random things. We keep our utensils here. our measuring cups, lighters, plastic bags. It's just chaos. Got these spice organizers from Westpac Lifestyle. We'll have all of the products linked down below for you if I can find it, and I'll add the prices on the screen as well. These will be very easy accessible and to store away spices, and we can even add more to our collection because we got 2 spice racks instead of just 1. And we also store our teas as well as like herbal teas in these containers above, in these little dough achtberg containers. So I just didn't want to throw them away. So I actually upcycled them to put like sugar, the coffee, and then our tea in it. But I'm kind of on the heel with this because I don't know if it looks okay. So I don't like the idea of the tea bags being open like this. So I'm gonna get a tea bag, like a container holder that's nice. Because I actually got a basket for the vitamins. So we also store all our vitamins up above, and it just looks so messy, and I just think it can look so much more neater inside a basket, and then it will kind of match when we have the bamboo container over here as well as the basket. And even though I did a declutter, I'm also going to change out my plates as well as bowls. And these are the Milano stoneware from Woolworths. We wanted something a little bit more sleek and a little bit less decorative, and these were actually on special. So it just ties in well with the more organic feel, the rounded corners, and yeah. So it's way later in the day. It's literally been a full day of shopping, organizing, doing everything in between. So the last thing to tick off is the drawers. So I got this bamboo organizer from Mr. Price Home. Funny little story, it didn't even have like any plastic over it. It didn't have a tag to say how much it was. So we actually looked online, and this was around about like 300 and something rand. And when I went to the counter, I said, hey, this is the last one. And it's got no price, no like barcode or anything. And they took the like smaller cutlery organizers and gave me this one for that price. So that was a steal. I think I paid just over 200 rand for this massive, and it can expand cutlery organizer. So I am very happy. So the very last thing, like I said, to do now is to organize that. Tomorrow I'll organize and decorate the countertops, and then your girl's done. Let's tick off the last thing. Let's tick off this drawer and just get it over with. So this is our cutlery drawer. It's quite large in size, so I was a little bit icky about this plastic organizer. I mean, there's so much wasted space over here. There is obviously some utensils like the whisk and the scissors that I want to put in here, but I think it just will look so cluttered if everything is just lying around. So taking these out, and can I just show you what a perfect fit this is. So I'm going to extend this one over here, and then way in the back I'm going to extend that. And there's a little space left here to place our scissors. And we usually use these tongs a lot when we are cooking, so I'm going to place them in here as well. And now it's time to organize these. And this is our new drawer. After 2 full days of shopping, organizing and decluttering, the kitchen is finally at a state where I am so happy at. There's obviously here and there some things that I still want to change. All the spices to be in the same containers, as well as with the sauces and marinades. I'm very happy with how the decor looks. I will obviously change out as the seasons change, so a little bit more warmer tones for winter and then a little bit more cooler tones as well for summer. So without further ado, cue the final reveal. What do you guys think? I am so happy with the final look of the kitchen. It's so much more organic, like I said. And if you're wondering where did the microwave go, Sarette, we do not use the microwave anymore, so it's going to a new home. So I hope this was encouragement for you to go through all of your drawers, to organize and declutter your kitchen, and hopefully feel refreshed and renewed as I am. I thank you guys so much for joining me in this kitchen restyling vlog, and I hope to see you in the next one.